Today we're going to look at setting the combination to a 3-wheel mechanical combination lock. Before we can do this, we need to open the unit up. All the Gard mechanical combination locks come set to 50, so we need to dial in 50 4 times to the left. You have to accurately stop on 50. And then turn the dial back to the right to open the door. We're now going to change the code. To do that, we must use the index changing mark, which is here at 11 o'clock. To do so, we need to dial the combination in 4 times to the left, which is 50 as it's still factory set. You must stop accurately on 50. We can now insert the change key into the back of the lock and unlock the wheels, ready for changing the code. With the change key now inserted and the wheels unlocked, we can program in a new combination. Again, we have to use the indexing mark. We're going to change the code to 10 20 30. So we dial in the first number 10 4 times to the left, stopping accurately on the change indexing mark. Your second number is 20, which we now dial in 3 times to the right. Again, stopping accurately on 20. The last number is 30, which we dial in twice to the left. Again, stopping accurately on 30. The combination is now set, and we can remove the change key from the back of the lock. Remember, do not force this key in or out. With the door in the open position, check that the combination works. So we dial in 10 20 30, starting with 10 4 times to the left. Again, stopping accurately on 10. This time to the opening indexing mark, which is at the 12 o'clock position. We now dial in 20 3 times to the right. And 30 twice to the left. And turn the dial back to retract the bolt. The safe is now open and ready for use.